This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Genesis key battery. Start by opening the key shell with a small flathead screwdriver and remove the old CR2032 cell carefully. Clean the contact points with a dry cloth to ensure good connection and avoid touching the new battery with oily fingers. Press the replacement battery into place, reassemble the shell, and test the key by locking and unlocking the car from a short distance. Begin by locating the notch on the key shell and gently prying it open with a flathead screwdriver to avoid cracking the plastic. Carefully lift out the internal module and note exactly how the battery sits so you can match orientation when inserting the new CR2032. Use a dry cloth to wipe contact pads, then press the new battery firmly into place until it clicks and the module sits flush inside the shell. When reassembling, align the shell halves carefully and press evenly to avoid bending internal contacts or trapping the module. Verify the buttons to press smoothly and test lock, unlock, and panic features from a few feet away to confirm the new CR2032 is seated correctly. If the key still fails, inspect for damaged contacts or a cracked shell and consider replacing the housing or seeking professional help at a dealership or locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.